how to express whose in Japanese with dare no. So when you're wanting to ask about ownership of a certain noun in Japanese, all you need to do is follow dare, who, followed by the not particle, and then have that followed by the noun that you're asking ownership about, to express whose noun. Like we just saw in the opening clip, whose bike, dare no bike.
なぜだ?誰のために何を守っている?
あんなものの完成を手伝うのはごめんだ。
So this is a very straightforward piece of language here because it's just dare for who followed by the possessive not particle, whose. So for example, if you wanted to ask for whose sake are you doing an action, you could say dare no tame ni.
世界を変えようと思ったんだ。
誰のために?
彼女のために。
Or like in this next clip, whose garden? Dare no niwa.
ここが誰の庭だと思っている。
Or perhaps like here asking whose grave are you visiting?
ねえおばちゃん、誰の墓参りをしているの?
Under whose orders? 誰の命令だ?
本当か?
本当です。
ちょっと待て。それどういうことだ?一体誰の命令だ?
And so because this piece of language is just a combination of dare for who followed with the possessive not particle, you could ask, for example, whose doing is this? 誰の仕業?
誰の仕業?
All you would need to do is just replace dare with the person to now express whose doing it is. Like in this next clip, it was your doing. あなたの仕業.
あらまあ大変。村がめちゃめちゃですわ。
まさか、これはあなたの仕業ですか?
So as you can see, this is a very straightforward piece of language in Japanese here. When you want to ask about the ownership of a noun, all you need to do is put dare no before that noun. Whose noun? So now just very briefly, we're going to have a quick review test. This is a chance for you to try and visualize how to use this piece of language yourself in your head. And so using some of the examples from this video, try and answer the following questions. After about 5 seconds, the answer will be displayed on the screen, and then the audio will be replayed to help you get that connection with the language and kind of help you remember it, as well as do a little bit of listening practice as well. Good luck.
Oi, これは誰のバイクだ?
誰の仕業?
ねえおばちゃん、誰の墓参りをしているの?
ここが誰の庭だと思っている。
誰のために?
彼女のために。
So hopefully that little review test helped you kind of visualize how this piece of language is used. Thanks so much guys for watching the video, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what kind of video you'd like to see next. Thanks so much guys for watching, and as always, I hope you're enjoying learning Japanese, and I'll see you all again in the next video. See you guys.